Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris, the Grow 340, about to review somebody that's trying to get into the chicken business. We're about to see. So from what I've understood, from my experiences, this is the chicken sandwich goes in this one. Chick-Fil-A, Popeyes, KFC, McDonald's. Can they make it to be the top 5? Churches? No point. They're not. No, they're not. I see Burger King is about to try. They're really about to try a chicken sandwich. I might not even mess with them, but we'll see. So without further ado, we're gonna try this chicken sandwich. The fries. I've been to Chili's a few times. They're a good restaurant or whatever. We're gonna try this. So I got fries and chicken. And the Southwest chili. The Southwest chicken soup. My fault. This is what it looked like. We'll give a few fries a couple tastes. That's not bad. They resemble Wendy's fries. Like, they really do. Let's see if I can see this. They really resemble Wendy's fries. But they got the black pepper on them. Wendy's, you might have to take note. This is the strawberry lemonade. I always get drinks with no ice because why would you get ice? They already come with cold, especially in the winter. They're a tad under in sweetness compared to Wendy's strawberry lemonade, but I mean that's pretty much the each one. Depends on how sweet you really like it. Now the piece de resistance. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at that. This is wild. Like for real, this is wild. Do you see this? This really resembles like the advertisement, the commercial. This really resembles it. It's not like some little pressed up thing in some foil paper. And another shout out to Chili's before I even take one bite. Y'all know what y'all doing. You see this lettuce and tomato? A1 already. Before I even took a bite, A1 already. Like, this is a step up. I do not like pickles and mayonnaise. I hate pickles and mayonnaise. Like, the two worst things, and they put it on chicken sandwiches. Every chicken sandwich that I ever got, no pickles, no mayo, at least. Y'all could probably step it up and raise the bar with some cheese or whatever, but we'll see what this talking about right now. About to go in. That's alright. That's alright. It's not bad. It's phenomenal, actually. The chicken, it's like Wendy's. And I almost forgot to put Wendy's in the top right. Yeah, Wendy's was the 5th one. But the chicken is like Wendy's, and the fries is like Wendy's. but the texture is so much better than Wendy's. The secret sauce, from what I can taste, it's like barbecue, mustard. I don't know, it's something else in there. You might have Mr. Krabs' secret formula, me boy. Nah, this shit tastes good. I ain't even lie to you. Chili's is up there. They up there with the chicken sandwich. Like, I'm trying to do a review and I'm still eating this shit. Now see this? Butter! You put butter on your bun, okay? I hate, and toast them a little bit. I hate nothing worse than a soggy bun when the bun is white. I mean, look at this. Like, I don't even have to force to keep this closed. Well put together. Yo, add some cheese and some grilled onions. Perfecto. Man. So what have we learned? That chicken sandwich up there, it kicks ass. It's really up there. To be honest, off of what I've tasted, I want to say the number 4 or 5 out of what I've been saying. I'd have to eat it some more to see where it really sit, because I've had all of those things ample times. But it looked like Wendy's, but it tastes way better than Wendy's. The texture is like Chick-Fil-A. The crispiness is like of Popeye as well. So it's like, it's a good mixture of all of this good meat of Mars. So, I mean, I don't know there's more it is to tell you. Yeah, shout out to Chili's though. Chili's, if you're listening, if you're watching, have a different variant, whatever. Put some cheese and grilled onions on it. It's all over. It's all over. It was worth the $10. Given that you get more for $10, it was pretty much spending $10 for it. Still got soup. Like, come on. And I'd also say this: when I eat a chicken sandwich from somebody else, I need more. There wasn't enough type shit. It wasn't enough. That goes to Popeyes, Chick-Fil-A, anybody. It's like I didn't have, like, no. Now I will say this, they did take McDonald's out of the equation. I can say that. They took McDonald's out of the equation for sure, for sure. It's a shit show. They took McDonald's out of the equation. So, back to the drawing board, everybody. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, everybody. And I'm out.